Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you a huge mistake I made trading this weekend and how you can avoid falling into the same trap. So here what happened. I entered a long position on a meme coin, on fart coin, and everything looked perfect. I entered here. You see my entry, it says it's on Saturday. I entered here. I had set up my stop loss under the support here. The setup, the indicators, everything, I was confident the price was going up. But then the market made a small dip while I was sleeping. You see here I was taking out while sleeping all this dip, and here is my loss. And just enough to shake me out. I lost the trade. I was wrong, and guess what? Right after I took the loss, the price exploded exactly the direction I had predicted. Why did this happen? Well, it was the weekend. Weekend trading is dangerous because the volume is low and small price moves can easily trigger emotions, and you do mistakes or you take losses or you hit the stop losses or anything. But here comes the secret. Let me show you where is the secret. The secret is here in USDT Dominance. Guys, what you have to know is when USDT Dominance goes up, most of the crypto are going down, and when the USDT Dominance goes down, most of crypto is going up. This is a very good way to predict the right moves if you watch the USDT Dominance. And if I had waited for USDT Dominance to hit a strong resistance and start failing, my trade would have been much more profitable. So here's what I learned. Don't trust move during weekend. The liquidity is thin. Always expect liquidity grabs before big moves. It's a part of the game. Trust your original analysis. Don't let a small dip shake you out. And finally, if you are not 100% confident, it's better to wait for stronger setups during the week. If you ever been stopped out like this, let me know in the comments. I love to hear your stories too. We are learning together, guys. And if you want to level up your trading and avoid mistakes like this, join our free Discord community. The link is in the description below, and I will see you inside. Thank you, guys, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.